I'm going to show you 4 basic ways that you can cook your eggs. So first up is hard-boiled eggs and soft-boiled too. So what you need is pot. I'm just going to fill it up with some water. It doesn't matter what temperature the water is. It can be hot, cold, doesn't matter. Put it on the stove. And then I'm going to add a little bit of white vinegar to it. Because believe it or not, vinegar helps peels come off much easier when you go to peel your eggs. So that was just like a tablespoon of water. That's all you need. So we just put the eggs in, and I'm just going to cook 4 today. Let me show you the difference. Put them in before you turn on the water. Okay. 4 eggs. There we go. Now I'm just going to turn the water on high. Well, like medium high-ish. And we're going to wait for the water to come up to a boil. Once it's done that, I'm going to show you how you can do the soft-boiled and hard-boiled. So our boiled eggs are ready. As you can see, come take a look. They are simmering away in the water. All right, now as you can see, these eggs are boiling. It's not a rolling boil. A rolling boil means that there are all kinds of bubbles. You've probably seen it. There's bubbles coming everywhere, and actually we're getting to the rolling boil right now. But all these bubbles start coming up. That means it's a rolling boil, okay, which is right here. We just wanted a boil, so I'm just gonna take this off the heat, over here, turn that off. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you soft-boiled eggs and hard-boiled eggs with this exact same pan. So, let me grab, real quick, my lid. All right, we're gonna cover it. I'm gonna set my timer. Where's my timer? Here you are. I'm gonna set my timer for 6 minutes. There we go. Okay. After 6 minutes, I'm gonna take 2 of those eggs out and put them in some ice water to shock them and chill them down real quick. That gives us soft-boiled eggs. For hard-boiled eggs, I'm just gonna let it sit for 12 minutes. So I'm gonna let it sit for 6 more minutes after I take the soft ones out. So it's gonna be 12 minutes total. And that gives you hard-boiled eggs, and then you're just gonna do the same thing. Just take them out, put them in some iced water, and to shock them and chill them down really fast. Okay? And that's it. That's how you make hard-boiled eggs. So we'll come back to these in a little bit, and I'll show you exactly what they look like. Okay, so our soft-boiled egg timer just ended. So I'm gonna take out 2 of the eggs and put them in my little ice bath with water. That stops the cooking. Put the lid back on, and now for my other 2 eggs, I'm gonna set my timer again for another 6 minutes. All right, I'm just gonna let these cool just until they're cold, basically, and it doesn't take long because it's ice water, right? So it doesn't take long. I leave them in there for maybe 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out and I'll show you what they look like on the inside, okay? Okay, so our hard-boiled eggs are done. So take the lid off. Just take them out of the water with a slotted spoon of some sort and put them into your ice water. Just let them sit there for about 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna take the soft-boiled eggs out. There we go. Soft-boiled eggs, and put them on the plate. Because they shouldn't be hot now, so you can actually take them out with your fingers. All right, quick way to peel your hard-boiled or soft-boiled egg. You take your egg, put it in a container with a lid, like this one. Just give it a shake. Be careful not to shake it too hard. Otherwise, you'll break the egg, okay? Which has never happened here, ever. Seriously? Anyway, so yeah, just give it a shake. Okay? Take it out. And I'm just making sure that it's broken all the way around. All right, and then just start peeling it. See how easily it came off? Boom. You have your peeled egg. All right, so we're gonna put it over here. And now, hold on, let me go grab a knife real quick. And I'll show you what the inside looks like. All right, so here's our soft-boiled egg. That was the one that sat in the water for about 6 minutes. You see the yolk is still kind of soft on the inside, okay? Now, if you like it super runny, you could just let it sit in the water for 3 minutes, 4 minutes, you know? Whatever your preference is, it's totally up to you. That's a soft-boiled egg. All right, so here's the hard-boiled egg. Slice, hard. Now, you see the difference? Hard-boiled egg, it's completely hard. There's nothing soft in the middle at all. And you can tell the color, too. The soft-boiled egg is like a deep yellow, and the hard-boiled egg is like pale yellow. So that's how you can tell the difference. All right, and that's perfect. Like I said, you can go anywhere. You can start at 3 minutes to get it like super runny and soft, and go anywhere up to 10 to 12 minutes for your hard-boiled eggs. So your preference, completely up to you how you do it. I personally like hard-boiled eggs. I've never been a fan of runny. So that's how you make hard-boiled and soft-boiled eggs.